Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Google Play Store on your Google TV. So if you go to like apps or something like that, you might not see the Google Play Store necessarily under here. So how I access it is I simply just hold down the voice button on the remote and say Google Play Store. And just say that in, and here's the Google Play Store where we're going to have access to additional apps, family apps, music apps, and then you might see live TV apps down here. And then here's all the different app categories: tools, lifestyle, sports, education, fitness, communication. So let's go to here. And we can see there's a bunch of different browsers in here that we can download. Chat VPN. I don't know what that is, but yep, it's just a different kind of store on here with all these different categories. So you'll probably find most of the same apps in the regular app store. And then I believe if you type in games or something, Google Games or something, you'll be able to get the games up too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.